In this video we are going to solve the exercise 1.2, or in the old textbook it is exercise 16.2. So second question of that exercise, because the first question we already solved in the previous video. The link is in the description box, you can go and check that. Second question of the exercise 1.2 is 31z5 is a multiple of 9 where z is a digit. What is the value of z? So here in this question we should find out the value of z. So this z is in 31z5. So here what is this z value that we have to calculate in the given question. And there is one more question. So this is a multiple of 9, means this 31z5 number is divisible by 9. So that condition we have to keep in mind. Okay, solution is, so as I already said, 31z5 is a multiple of 9. So we have to find out the value for this z. So this 31z5 is divisible by 9 also. Okay. Now remember one thing, divisibility rule of 9 is when we add all the digits, it means if your digit is 31z5, so if you add this digit 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 and you are getting a sum, you are getting an answer which is divisible by 9. So then we consider the given number as the number divisible by 9. That is divisibility rule of 9, which you have to remember. The sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9. So here we are adding 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. This is divisible by 9. So we can say that we are adding the numbers. Instead of writing the numbers separately, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. So we are writing this as 9 plus z. This 9 plus z is also divisible by 9. Okay. Now the possible values for this 9 plus z. Because this 9 plus z is a multiple of 9, whatever value you choose for this z, when that is added with this 9, either you should get 9 or you should get 18 or you should get 27 or 36, like this, so on. So this 9 plus z may be a 9 or it may be a 19 or it may be a 27 or 36 or any other multiple of 9. According to that you have to choose the value for this z. Okay. So z may be any number from 0 to 9. That condition also we have to remember. So if you take z as 0, 9 plus 0 will give you a 9. So this 9 is divisible by 9. So we can take z as 0. Next, second value or second multiple of 9 is 18. Right? First multiple is 9. So when we added z, we got 9. 0 we added, we got 9. Second multiple of 9 is 18. So if you need 18 in 9 plus z, you have to take 9 in the place of z. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. So there are only two values for this z. One is z is equal to 0. So one is z is equal to 9. So this is the solution for your second question. Now the third question, if 24x is a multiple of 3 where x is a digit, what is the value of z, x? That is the second question of your exercise 1.2. Let us solve this question, and first of all let us recall the divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is same as divisibility rule of 9. So whatever we did in the divisibility rule of 9, same thing we are going to do here also. So in the divisibility rule of 9 also, when you add the digit, means when you find out the sum of the digits, it should be divisible by 3. Then the given number will be considered as the multiple of 3. Okay, now the sum should be divisible by 3. So that is the condition. 2 plus 4 plus x, it should be divisible by 3, or it is divisible by 3. Instead of writing the number separately, we wrote 2 plus 4 as 6 plus x. 2 plus 4 we are writing as 6, and this is 6 plus x. Okay, now so divisible by 3 means multiple of 3. Either 6 plus x should be equal to 3, or it is 6, or it is 9, or it is 12, or 15, or 18, right? Like this, any number which comes in the table of 3 or which is divisible by 3. So whatever value you take for this x, you will not get this 3, right? Because you are adding x to 6. So we are not going to get this 3 here. Okay, next, first value is x is equal to 0, which will give us 6. Second value x is equal to 3. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, which is divisible by 3. Next, third value is x is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, which is also divisible by 3. Next value is x is equal to 9, that is 6 plus 9 is equal to 15, that is also divisible by 3. So there are 4 values for this x, that is 20, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 6, and x is equal to 9. So that is the solution for your third sub question or third question of the exercise. Next, the fourth question. If 31z5 is a multiple of 3 where z is a digit, what might be the values of z? We should find out the z values. Z is equal to question mark, and the given question is 31z5. So here z value we have to find out. Okay, so this is a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 means sum should be divisible by 3. The solution is here we are adding all the digits and the sum should be divisible by 3. Now instead of writing numbers separately, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9, we are writing this as 9 plus z. 9 plus z is a number which is divisible by this 3. Now, so divisible by 3 means, as I already said in the last solution, answer may be 3 or 6 or 9 or 12 or any number which is divisible by this 3. Okay, according to that we have to choose the values for z. Understood? So z is equal to 0, we are taking first value, that is 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. This is divisible by 3. Z is equal to 3 we are taking, that is 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 12 is also a multiple of 3. Now z is equal to 6, that is 9 plus 6 is equal to 15, which is also divisible by 3. Next we are taking z is equal to 9, this 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 is also divisible by 3. So whatever values you are taking for this given variables, they should always be between 0 and 9. From 0 to 9 any values we can take. Okay, so this is the solution for our fourth question. Thanks for watching the video. Happy learning. Stay home, stay safe and stay positive.